It's all about the location. This charming townhouse in the desirable Greenbrier community features a stone entryway and lovely trees. This open floor plan with kitchen, dining area and family room on first floor. Hardwood floors on the lower level. Gorgeous kitchen with 42-inch maple cabinets, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pass-through to dining area, pantry and under cabinet lighting. Family room features gas log fireplace, ceiling fan and access to the back patio. Decorative art niche at top of stairs. Second floor you will find a master bedroom with vaulted ceiling fan and full bath with garden tub. Second bedroom with its own bath. In the back a storage unit, patio and backyard with privacy fence and tree line. There is lots of room for all your entertaining needs. 2 assigned parking spaces right in front. Easy access to I-540 and minutes to shops and restaurants. You will love this place, so come make it your home sweet home.